Welcome to Business Brief for today. It's August the 7th, 2026. And of course, the Central Bank of Nigeria, on behalf of the Debt Management Office, is offering 700 billion naira in Nigerian Treasury bills in its first primary market auction for August this year, as authorities continue efforts to manage liquidity, finance government obligations, and support monetary stability. The auction is scheduled for August, and of course, with bids submitted electronically ahead of the sale. And the offer comprises 100 billion naira in 91-day Treasury bill, 100 billion in 180-day bill, and 500 billion naira in 364-day bill, reflecting the government's continued preference for longer tenor securities. Now, analysts say Treasury bills remain attractive to investors because they are low risk and instrument backed by the federal government and continue to offer competitive returns. The action comes as the Central Bank of Nigeria maintains liquidity management strategy aimed at containing inflation and supporting stability in the financial market. Market analysts expect healthy investor participation, particularly for the one-year instrument, amid continued demand for government-backed securities. Nigeria's equity market extended a positive momentum on Thursday, with investors gaining 191.77 billion naira despite a negative market breadth, as renewed demand for banking and other heavyweight stocks lifted the benchmark index. The rally pushed the Nigerian exchange market capitalization to 158.29 trillion naira, while the all share index SI rose 0.12% to close at 245,209.34 points. Market sentiment remained positive, even though more stocks declined and advanced during the trading session. Analysts say gains in large cap banking stocks, particularly First Holdco, alongside Zenith Bank, Stanbic IBTC Holding, and Wema Bank, helped offset losses recorded across other sectors and kept the market in positive territory. Amongst the day's top gainers were Better Glass, appreciated by 10%. And of course, we have John Holt also gained about 10%, while others, international pharmaceuticals, also that's named Nemeth now, international pharmaceuticals rose to 10% as well. And we have very much others on the gaining side of it. On the losing side, Academy Press fell 10%, and we have RT Briscoe dropped as well. Champion Breweries also declined, and Electronic Technology also had some decline as well. Analysts say that the market resilience reflects sustained, reflects some resilience, sustained investor confidence, and despite profits taken in several stocks, attention is now shifting to upcoming corporate earnings and broader economic indicators, which are expected to influence trading sentiment and investment decision in the coming weeks. And now the federal government has launched the Tinubu Light Initiative, a new program aimed at providing reliable electricity to 1 million micro, small, and medium enterprises across Nigeria. This is the point where Nano also asked, where are we? Now, the initiative is designed to reduce dependence on petrol and diesel generator while lowering operating costs and improving productivity for small businesses. Now, the program will focus on markets, commercial clusters, and industrial hubs where unreliable electricity has remained a major obstacle to business growth. Government officials say expanding access to dependable power will help strengthen enterprise development, improve efficiency, and support job creation. Implementation will begin in phases, targeting businesses clusters where this can be delivered effectively to those who needs it. The government says improved access to reliable power is expected to boost productivity, encourage business expansion, and reduce the financial burden of self-generated electricity. Now, to the businessmen and women who are in the micro, the small, and the medium enterprise, accounts for a significant share of employment, economic activities in Nigeria. Though those who understand this sector say that improving access to reliable electricity, of course, could lower production costs, enhance competitiveness, and enable small businesses to expand, create more jobs at the long run, and contribute more effectively to national economic growth. We'll definitely be paying attention to the Tinubu Light Initiative and see how that can trickle down to the nano business, small and medium enterprise, those who want to quickly help run the economy and make it a better stance. But that's Business Break for today.